Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran: Zuyyina lin-nasi hubbu ash-shahawati minan nisa'i wal banina wal qanatiril muqantarati minaz zahabi wal fiddati wal khaylil musawwamati wal an'ami wal harth. ذلك متاع الحياة الدنيا والله عنده حسن المآب. Translation: Made alluring for mankind is the love of worldly desires such as women and offspring, and heaped up treasures of gold and silver and horses branded to denote their high quality, and cattle and well-tilled land. These are the possession of this world's life, and with Allah is the fairest abode. Previously in the ayah number 10, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told the result of arrogance on wealth and the children. And here in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving the cause of this love. This is an extremely important topic to understand, to pass the test that Allah has given us. And to explain it more, I will recite another ayah from Surah Kahf, ayah number 7. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Inna ja'alna ma'ala al-'ardi zinatan laha linabluwahum ayyuhum ahsanu amala. Translation: We have placed all that is in the earth as an embellishment for it, so that we may try which of them is better in conduct. Meaning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created this world for us, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put the love of this world in our hearts so that we can be tested on the things that are present in the world. The real test is that if we keep the love of the worldly things higher, or we keep the love of Allah higher in our hearts. This is the only test, and if we can understand this, we can pass the test that Allah has given us. All the loves of this world should come under the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Meaning that if we have love for women or children or wealth and gold, this is halal, this is jaiz, until and unless it is breaking any commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In other words, if we are making sure that all the things of the world we are trying to acquire and we are trying to enjoy are according to the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and no commandment of Allah is broken in doing so. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned some things, and among those things, the first thing is mentioned is women. And this is mentioned in hadith also. There is a hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to the effect that after him there would be no temptation more harmful for the man of his ummah than women. This is for those who become obsessed with women at the cost of their religion. On the other hand, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the best possession in the world is a good wife. You look at her and feel happy. You ask her to do something and she is obedient. If you are absent, she guards your property and herself till you come back. After women, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions the offspring, and we all know that the offspring's love is in the heart of human beings, and this love is put by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The only thing is that we must not do anything haram to take care of our offspring or children. We should try to make our offspring a source of maghfirah for us. And then Allah mentioned some of the other treasures of this world, like gold and silver and branded horses with a pedigree and cattle and cultivated land. These are all the possessions of this world. But this world is very short and this life is going to end soon. But what Allah has is not for a short time, and what Allah has is forever. So let's pray that Allah help us understanding the commandments of Quran and keep our love in heart for Allah the highest. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.